The lady from Uncle. International affairs. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at moving a YouTube channel from its Google account onto its Google account brand account. Now, there are several reasons why I might wish to do this, and one of them is that it is actually necessary to involve a brand account if you want to transfer ownership of a YouTube channel to a different Google account altogether. So I'm going to proceed with this using Uncle's test channel, and I'm going to click on the top right hand side where I'm signed into the Google account that owns the YouTube channel, and I'm going to go down to settings, and I'm going to go over to the left hand side and select advanced settings, and on this page I'm going to select move channel to a brand account. I'm going to be asked to verify myself. I'm taking a sensitive action. On this page, I can see which YouTube channel is about to be moved. I can see its channel ID, which, by the way, is the last part of its URL. And if I scroll down, I have a list of brand accounts I can move this YouTube channel to. 5 of the 6 already have YouTube channels of their own. And if I wanted, I could replace any one of these with the one I'm moving. But in this case, I've actually got an empty brand account, so I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to click select instead of replace on one of the other 5. And I'm being shown in a pop-up exactly what will happen. I'm being told that the channel URL, which was the previous page's channel ID, will not change. Certain things will not, of course, be transferred. And I'm going to proceed with move channel. And I'm being told that my YouTube channel has been successfully moved. And in the next step, I'm actually going to refresh the page by clicking the browser button. And there you are. I'm now switched into my Google account, which no longer has a YouTube channel associated with it. And if I click on the avatar at the top right hand side, you'll see that it's changed back to my Google account's avatar. It has the option to create a channel for itself. But if I select switch account, I can now select the YouTube channel that I've moved and which is now a YouTube brand account. If I go to your channel, I am back at the YouTube channel that I've just moved. Note the URL. So that is how you move a YouTube channel from its owner Google account onto its Google account's brand account. Thank you for listening and goodbye.